Hey everybody, it's cold outside. I've got a heater that has a timer on it, but the timer's pushed in. Let's see if we can fix it. So like I said, I've got this heater, but this is not doing well. And I can't really operate. You have to twist this dial and flip these little levers to make anything happen with the timer. And I don't want that. I can't have it doing that. Lay it down. It's sealed, it won't matter. This one has 2 screws at the bottom. Basic idea is to get this off. Sometimes there'll be a screw up under here. Sometimes there'll be a screw up under there. Sometimes that will pop up. See how that has a lip there? It's all snapped into this anyway, so let's just take this piece off. Use this time to go ahead and tighten things up if they're loose. It'll make it sit flat and do a lot better. There we go. So I'm going to use this as an opportunity to take it outside and clean it up. It's not terrible. So what I'm thinking at this point is I could put a screw from the other side, from this side, run a screw and some kind of a strap across there. I could use this somehow to secure to this. So look at this with me. See how this covers here? We could probably just pop these screws out and take it off, and I may do that, but I don't see the need because that's what's holding all this in. So I think what I'm going to do is utilize this space here underneath this and just take some small screws, drill a pilot hole, put a small screw, not this one necessarily, but put a plate, some kind of plate over this that holds it flush, and then glue it to this also, and then screw or even rivet in a few places all the way around here and hold that in from here. Okay, so y'all check this out. One of those random things that I keep, right? I bought a Wise doorbell, and this is made to mount the doorbell if you need it to look one direction or another instead of straight ahead. Well, I just need it straight ahead, so I don't need this. But I kept it anyway. But if I take it, see, it's got these cutouts right here that line up to this one that sticks out, so I don't have to cut anything. Plastic, so I can drill right through it. Still have a little pilot hole, but I can come across like this right here. Put that in that groove right there, and then tighten this thing up, put some screws in it. Now I can use some longer screws, still go into the back of here, a couple of pilot holes in here, and I am golden. So mark your holes, just close is good. Drill your pilot holes and then put the screws in. Don't over tighten them. They just need to get through that sheet metal and hang on, and then everything will work just like it did for me. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like anything about this, leave us a comment, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, but most of all, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget to test the timer dial before you button it all up. And make sure to snug everything back up so that the whole unit is tight and nothing falls apart.